Hello, I'm Nobuko. I'm standing in front of the historic Yamanote Station building, the iconic red brick gateway to Tokyo. For most travelers visiting Tokyo, Asakusa is a top destination, and Tokyo Station is likely your starting point. But how do you get from here to Asakusa, and how do you avoid getting lost in this massive station? I know you have many worries. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this journey yourself. Let's take a quiet stroll through the heart of Tokyo together. Stay tuned until the end. If you search for Tokyo Station to Asakusa Station, you'll see something like this. The first recommended route is to walk about 7 minutes from Tokyo Station to Kyobashi Station and then take the Ginza Line directly to Asakusa. Technically, that works, but I don't usually recommend this route, especially if you are traveling with heavy luggage. Walking through an unfamiliar part of Tokyo with a large suitcase can be more stressful than it looks on the map. Instead, I recommend the second route shown here. Let me show you why. Here's the route I recommend. First, we'll go through the ticket gate to take either the Yamanote Line or Chuo Line from Tokyo Station. Either line is fine. We'll get off at Kanda Station and transfer to the Tokyo Metro Ginza Line. From there, it's a direct train to Asakusa Station. Simple, comfortable, and much easier with luggage. Let's begin. While you are here, look up at the gate green JR signs. You'll see line codes like JY for the Yamanote Line and JC for the Chuo Line. These small letters are very helpful in Tokyo. Just follow either JY or JC, both will take you to Kanda Station. If you are taking the Chuo Line, head to the platform 1 or 2. If you prefer the Yamanote Line, go to platform 4. Whichever train comes first is perfectly fine. They both stop at Kanda Station. Today, I'm taking the Chuo Line. The Chuo Line is orange and the Yamanote Line is light green. If you remember just the colors, you'll be absolutely fine. Actually, there's one more option. You can also take the Keihin Tohoku Line to Kanda. That's the blue line marked JK. So really, you have 3 choices: Yamanote, Chuo, or Keihin Tohoku lines. They all stop at Kanda. Just take whichever arrives first. The ride from Tokyo Station to Kanda is only about 2 minutes. It's a very short trip, so be ready to get off quickly. If you're on the Chuo Line, this is the first stop, so you might find it a bit more relaxed. When I took it, it wasn't crowded at all. Let's enjoy the view for these brief 2 minutes. グリーン車をご利用の際にはグリーン券が必要です。次は神田。お出口は右側です。This is a Chuo Line special rapid service train for Old Ski. Green cars are car number 4 and number 5. A green card ticket is required in the green car. The next station is Kanda, Gate B2. The doors on the right side will open. Kanda
Kanda。ご乗車ありがとうございます。ドアが閉まります。ご注意ください。5番線ドアが閉まります。ご注意ください。Please stand clear of the closing doors. 5番線、6番線ホーム駅。
The Ginza Line is marked with an orange circle and the letter G. If you ever feel unsure, just look for the symbol. Here, we leave the JR ticket gate and transfer to the subway. As long as you keep following the Ginza Line signs, it's very hard to get lost. There are escalators and elevators available, so don't worry if you have luggage. The subway platforms are quite deep underground, so we'll head down one more level. And here we are, the Ginza Line ticket gate. To go to Asakusa, take the train platform 4. Here comes the train. It's just after 10 a.m. and as you can see, there are still some empty seats.
Things change. But the Tokyo Asakusa Line and the Tokyo Metro Line.
We've arrived at Asakusa Station. From here, it's just a short walk to famous sites like Sensoji Temple. There are clear signs throughout the station, so it should be easy to find your way. Using this route, the journey takes less than 20 minutes. Now, let's stop outside to see Asakusa. That's it for today. Now you know an easy way to travel from Tokyo Station to Asakusa. On this channel, I share quiet walks, local stories, and everyday scenes of Japan. If you enjoy exploring Japan this way, subscribe and join me next time. またね